Good morning, student. Today, class 7th, uh, PT-1 exam preparation. Okay. These are the questions, some questions. Now, four options are there, and you have to choose one option. One option is correct. Choose the correct answer from the given four options. On the number line, the value of -3 and 3 lies on the right hand side of these options are there. Means answer of this -3, this answer of this -3 and 3 on number lies on after 10, after 0, after 7, or after -7, or after -4. Like this question is there. This value, the value of 5 divided by 1 does not lie between this. No, four options are there. In these four options, between which it does not lie. Okay. The next number in the pattern, like this pattern here, the next number will be what? No, options are given like this. Multiplication of integers satisfies the property of the multiplication of integer. Which are these properties? They satisfy all of these or out of these three, like this. The number of integer between -20 and -10 are between these number of integers are okay. Number of integers between and number a second -10 and -20. The number of integers between -20 and -10 are okay. Between -10 are okay. Which are how many numbers here? Now, question is not like this. Which number is between this? This is the number of integers between these two. How many numbers lie? That is, this is the option. Okay. The sum of two integers is -10 and one of them. Okay. Two numbers. Sum of two numbers answer is this, and one is this. Another will be what? Options are here. Which of the following is not the additive inverse of? No, not the additive inverse of A. No, multiple. The next part of the commutative between this one of this, the additive inverse of A. No, so some options are there here. Four options are there, and which of the following is not the option? Okay, out of these four, some more may be option, but not one is not the option. Here 0 divided by 1 is equal to the answer of 0 divided by -10 equal to which of these or none of the above. If A and B are two integers, then which of the following may not be an integer? Out of these four, no, among these four, which which is not an integer means if you put the value of A and B, the answer will not be integer. No? So you can here you can change the value. Put A, whatever value you are putting A, and another B, you can change, and any value you try, then only you will get answer. For a non-zero integer, A, which is the following, is not defined. See, out of these four, one is not defined, not existing. That means not defined. Here answers are given display of these 10 questions. First of all, you do, then check with answer. So you will get where you are, what type of preparation you have. You can check with this. Then after that, the next type of question again coming. Okay, we'll continue with next type of question. Now, question number 11. Okay. Simplify the Simplify the following. 2 into 5 minus, no, capital bracket start, 8 minus middle bracket 11 plus 30 divide 4 minus 7 minus 5 like this. These are the terms. Peacefully you have to do, you will get the answer. Okay. Verify that A divided by B divided by C not equal to like this. No, here bracket different side. No, here bracket is A and with A divided by B. Here bracket small bracket B divided by C. For the value A equal to this value you have to put for A, for B 12, for C minus 3. Okay. Then if both side answer is equal, this side, answer should not be equal. Okay. This you have to verify. Evaluate this, solve and get the answer. Okay. This is capital bracket. Then if you represent the distance above the ground by a positive integer, above the ground positive integer, below the ground negative integer. In that case, an elevator descends into a mine shaft at the rate of 4 meter per minute. In a minute goes 4 meter. Okay, descent into a mine shaft, going inside the mine. What will be its position after 1 hour? No? After 60 minutes. No, here rate is meter per minute after 60 minutes. What will be the position? If it began to descend from 10 meter above the ground, if 10 meter above the ground starts, then what will be the position after 40 minutes from the ground? Okay, so just answer the comparison should be from the ground. How much deep? Using suitable properties, evaluate the following. This one. So you have to use the property and in bracket you should mention this property used for this one and this two. Arrange the number in descending order. These you answer these numbers. Okay. Calculate. Come to the one digit. And then you decide which one is greater, which one is smaller. As per that descending order, greater number first, smaller number last. Like this you have to arrange. 3 by 4 of a number is 12. Then the number is, options are there. This is not manual, this is options. Okay. If 3 by 4 of a number is 12, the 1 will be what? No? In fraction 1 is full. The 1 is what? Options are given. Okay. Then this 0.002 into 0.03 each, the answer of this multiplication will be among these options. Here, division of these two, 0.35 divide 0.7 each, option is like this. Okay, then 30 meter 5 centimeter can be written in the decimal form. In the meter, these are meters. In the meter language, you can write it as options. What is the least fraction number that must be added to the to make the result in a natural number? Okay. Least, solve this, get the answer, and any number which can be added, and that should be a natural number. Natural number means counting number, not something by something. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Answer should be like this. So in the answer of that, you have to add something so that it should be a not a something by something denominator denominator. It should be a counting number. Okay. A drum of petrol is three-fourths full. Petrol is already only three-fourths full, not full. When 30 liters are drawn from it, it is 7 by 12 full. Okay? Then find the capacity of the drum. Little bit, use the brain, little bit tricky. I read this much book on one day, this much on the remaining day. and the left unread is 100 page. Okay, so that means this by this one day, this by this next day, and left over the fraction is equal to this. The full book is what? Answers are displayed here. Peacefully do this and tell it the answer. Okay. If you are getting most of the sums, then you should be happy. If not getting, okay, we can arrange. Okay, arrange your solution later on. Put your remarks. Okay, if you like the video, like the like button. Touch the like button and must subscribe the channel. Okay, good day.